What's up? What's up? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I'm at lunch right now and I'm hungry.
I'm ready to chow the room down. Ready to eat this right now. Okay, so what we got here is the garden salad caprese. Got tomato, mozzarella, mozzarella. It's not really looking that scrumptious. It's kind of lacking luster. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not quite there yet, but we also got the broccoli cheddar. Ooh, and it's dripping. Damn. But it's not even hot. Let's pray over this food.
For those who prepared it and made it salvage.
May it be good, Lord. May it be good.
And make me help.
May it fill my spirit. Make me feel full, Lord. May it be good. Cold. It's not really hitting like that. It's really not, but
I don't want to. Mess this up.
okay, let's give this sandwich a try.
I don't know how it's not like.
Okay.
They just made
See, it got that large amount of cheese.
Let's
Just
give it a try, okay?
it ain't even melted. Like it ain't even gooey. It's just stuck. It's alright.
So far.
It's alright. Need a couple more bites to see if it's really like that. You know what I mean? If it's like that. I don't know. I gotta figure it out. I'm thinking about it. Like
So far.
a couple more bites and we'll figure that out. You know what I mean? I just love me some of this broccoli cheddar soup. It don't matter. Warm,
Love the
cold,
broccoli
it's
cheddar
classic. Classic. We got the broccoli cheddar soup. Classic.
Have my opinion.
Yeah,
changed by
I
the
don't
second
know.
bite?
Maybe by the third bite, it might be better. You know what I mean? It's just not there yet. It's just not cutting edge material. I don't know. I expected more tomatoes, some more boom, more onions or something.
I'm gonna give it 4 more bites to figure out how much I like that sandwich.
You need to go ahead and microwave that broccoli cheddar soup, Celine. Celine, you need to go ahead and cold. You need to microwave that broccoli cheddar soup. Get that done. Thank you for being a friend. Travel down the road and back again. Your subscription is true. Make sure you subscribe and you leave a comment. I want you to like the video. Tell me what's your favorite pick two from Panera. What's your favorite Panera drink? I didn't get me one because I had a water bottle. But I love me some tomato mozzarella. That's not a thing. That's Starbucks. Sorry, forgive that. But I love me a tomato soup with a nice French baguette. But this sandwich is new to me. I never had this sandwich before. I'm still trying to figure it out. I love an onion. Oh, a good onion? Oh, boy. A good onion can make something shake. I was slurping on some onions. As soon as I got the onion, onion, tomato. Okay, boom, it's coming back hot, ready. Let's give it a try. Make sure you chew your food. Hot. You see that steam popping? Pray for excellence. Pray for nurture. Yeah, boy, I'll say when I get it like that. I told you, this lunch right here made my day. This 8-hour shift ain't gonna take me out whole. Yeah, I'm finna to eat this right here. I'm fit to eat this, all of this, every bit of this. Well, how do it like what? Yeah. How do it like that? Yeah. What? How do it like that? Say yeah. Now let's get this broccoli cheddar soup. Yep. Yeah.
Oh man.
It's hot. Look at that. I want y'all to see that. What's it? Cozy feel. Cozy. Cozy. I wanted something warm because it's cold outside today. That's all I'm wearing. That's all I got. All I wore was this little sweater. Foolish me. Foolish me. Make sure y'all subscribe. We trying to get to 500 subscribers so I can drop a special YouTube video, some special art content. I love making art. If you know anything about me, I'm an artist and I'm a poet. I'm a comedian. So I got some poetry I want to drop, but I only want to do it if I get to 500 subscribers. I'm talking about something special. Well, that's hot as shit, ain't it? I'm talking about my journey, my abortion journey, and just follow along because life be throwing niggas back in time and stuff. But I ain't gonna be back. I'm gonna be 1 foot forward. You know what I mean? So make sure you subscribe, okay? Oh, and hit that notification bell. I'm not playing with you. Hit that notification bell if you see something new. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. Ooh, I had to dip it.
I didn't.
That was the combo. How do it like that? How do it like that? Yeah. Little sips at a time to finish your soup. Little sips at a time, my darling. Oh, fuck! Damn, that shit was hot. Fuck. Dip that shit. I'm gonna dip that shit right back.
I love a good sandwich. Excuse me. This soup just made this sandwich.
Makes me happy. Food makes me wanna love a guy. Food makes me happy, 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 food makes me happy. Food,
It's fight work. Still hot.
We got one more bite in this motherfucker. Let's make it count. Hey, let's make it count. Hey, we got one more bite in this motherfucker. Not to your food, hey. 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 Not to your food. Hey, not to your food, hey. Not to your food, hey. Not to your food. Hey, not to your food, hey. Not to your food, hey. Not to your food. Hey, not to your food, hey. Not to your food, hey. Not to your food. Hey, not to your food, hey. Not to your food, hey. Not to your food. Hey, not to your food, hey, not to your food, hey, not to your food. Hey, not to your food, hey, not to your food, hey, not to your food. Hey, not to your food, hey, not to your food, hey, not to your food. Chew, not to your food, hey, not to your food, hey, not to your food. Chew, not to your food, hey, not to your food, hey, not to your food. Chew, not to your food, hey, not to your food, hey, not to your food. Food. Not to your food, not to your food, not to your food. Hey, not to your food, hey, not to your food, hey, not to your food. Chew, not to your food, hey, not to your food, hey, not to your food. Chew, not to your food, hey, not to your food, hey, not to your food. Chew, not to your food, hey, not to your food, hey, not to your food. Chew, not to your food, hey, not to your food, hey, not to your food. Food. Not to your food, eh?
And I got an apple. I'm finna eat this apple. Ugh. This apple a little dusty, crusty. I don't really like the skin of apples. It be breaking me out. But I'm gonna get some water on this and I'm gonna scrub it.
Nah, for real. Eating apple skin makes my lips swollen. So I had to, bite that shit off. I didn't have no little apple pillow or whatever. But yeah, every time I eat an apple, I think about my one Nigerian friend. She would eat that joint down to the stem. Like, she would eat that joint off the root. Like, damn, where the apple go? Like, boom, disappear. But, like, I'm like, we got antihistamine and all this stuff in our food and chemicals. I'm not going to eat no apple seed, no apple root, no apple stem, no apple skin. I don't trust none of that. None of that part of the apple I don't like. But I do like the white part of the apple. So I be trying to eat it down to the core like my Nigerian friend. But I'm sorry, honey. It's going to have to be some true famine going on until I eat that motherfucker. What? But I was chewing. That apple was juicy. Period. Like, apple. Good. Like, damn. Apple Jack got. Witness me eat this apple like it's a chicken drum. Witness. Just witness. Thank you for taking my lunch break with me. Have a beautiful day and subscribe.